In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF ebook using Figma in just about 2 minutes. Figma is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool that you can use for more than just UI design. It's especially handy for creating beautiful ebooks quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in and get started with this simple process. First, head over to the Figma website. If you have not already signed in, you'll need to click on the login button, which you can find at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and you'll be redirected to the home page of your Figma account. This is where you'll see a dashboard of your recent files and projects. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to click on Design to start a new project or continue a project you're working on. The next step is crucial, creating a frame. Clicking on the frame tool sets the foundation for your ebook, as frames are like pages in your ebook. You can choose from different device presets like iPhone, tablet, or desktop, but to ensure it functions well as an ebook, you might want to go with a custom size akin to an A4 or letter paper size. This creates a professional and clean looking ebook that's easy to print or read on any device. Once you've set up your frame, it's time to get creative. You can either start designing directly in Figma or paste content from other sources. If you already have a design template, you can paste it here. Otherwise, use Figma's versatile design tools to create beautiful layouts. Remember to include visual elements like images, illustrations, or icons to enhance your content's readability and engagement. As you design each page or section, think about the structure of your ebook. Does it flow well? Is the text easy to read? When designing, keep Figma's layers organized and label them accordingly. This will save you time later on when you need to make edits or changes. Also, utilize Figma's text styles, colors, and components for consistency across your ebook. After you're satisfied with the design, it's time to export your work as a PDF. Select your frames, click on File at the top left, then Export, and choose PDF as your format. This step transforms your design into a professional looking ebook that you can share or distribute digitally. And there you have it, a sleek, professionally designed ebook created with Figma in just a few steps. This process not only saves time, but also ensures your content is visually appealing and easy to distribute. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and it empowers you to produce stunning PDF ebooks with ease. Happy designing!